Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Gmail and selecting contacts from the Google Apps grid. This gives you the dedicated interface to manage people. Once signed in, make sure you pick the correct account, especially if you juggle work and personal profiles, because changes apply immediately. Then enable Contacts Sync on your mobile device so edits replicate both ways. This initial setup prevents duplicates and lost entries, and it lets you move on to adding, editing, or importing contacts without surprises. Next, add or import contacts. Click Create Contact for single entries or Import to bring a CSV file. This is faster for many addresses. Once contacts exist, organize them with labels to group teams, friends, or vendors, and color code labels to spot lists quickly. Edit records to include phone numbers, company, job title, and notes. Custom fields help track non-standard info. Make sure to save after each edit. By organizing now, you reduce future searching and keep your inbox faster and more focused. Finally, share and clean your contacts to complete the workflow. Export a label or selected entries when you need to transfer or backup lists, and use Merge and Fix to consolidate duplicates. Always review suggestions before applying. If a contact doesn't appear on your phone, toggle Account Sync, clear the Contacts app cache, and re-import an exported vCard if needed. Keeping a recent export avoids permanent loss, and these final steps ensure your contact database stays accurate, shareable, and recoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.